What's going on YouTube? Stargazer Productions. Well,
It's making me sick.
let's just say this one's not gonna be an easy one.
Your family.
I might be buying a new truck, I might be keeping the Ranger. I don't know yet. The advantages of the new truck that I might be buying, are everything works, doesn't need as much work as the Ranger, and it's a 318 with cherry bombs, which is a bigger motor. Yes, it takes more fuel, but hey, the Ranger, well, we've been through a lot. I mean, you've seen all the videos. I've done plenty more that I haven't put on YouTube, but they are on my Facebook. Actually quite on my Facebook pages also. But I was looking, and I might be buying a 77 Dodge D100 Custom. So I don't know anymore. I mean, you guys love the Ranger, you want to see the progress of the Ranger, but I was thinking, with the Dodge, there could be more, you know? Well, anyway, if we keep the Ranger, you guys will see a road trip down Gettysburg with Blackjack from Horizons. So that could be in the near future. We were even going to do that with the Dodge. So I want you guys to comment down below what you want to see on this channel. If you guys want to see the Dodge, I'll ditch the Ford. If you guys want to see the Ford, I'll bring it back. So that's up to you. Put down in the comments below what you want to see on the channel, and we'll see what happens. So, Stargazer Productions, signing off.